In today's video, I reveal Leslie Knope's little-known strategy for becoming mayor of her city. The same strategy that the world's most feared negotiator used for closing billion-dollar deals, and how to use this ridiculously valuable strategy to run a thriving real estate business. Last night, I was watching Parks and Rec. Leslie, the show's main character, is one of my favorite characters. She is a straight-up lady boss. And although it's a goofy comedy, it's inspiring to see her big transformation. She starts as a bumbling Parks and Rec officer for her dwarf-sized town. But by the end of the show, she becomes mayor of her giant city. Not too shabby, eh? Well, you know what's even more inspiring? Leslie did not rise to mayor because she was the most skilled at her job, the best communicator, nor was she well connected with other politicians. Nope. She was able to achieve success for one very simple yet extremely overlooked and underutilized reason. Something that can be used by any business owner, new or seasoned, to quickly dominate their market and attract new and old business to them year-round. Leslie's bulletproof secret? She put her customers and her community first. Always. She had a big mission and purpose to serve her community. Everything she did was for the betterment of her community and her employees. Every action she took was guided by if it was truly in their best interest. A while back, I was listening to an audio tape on negotiation from the world's most feared negotiator, Jim Camp. Camp taught the concept of mission and purpose. To win negotiations and run successful businesses, Camp always created a mission and purpose first. Then, he let this mission and purpose guide him in every sales call, negotiation, and business decision he made. But the fascinating thing was, his mission and purpose was always in his adversary's world. Jim called his clients adversaries. He was a jet fighter pilot in Vietnam and kept this lingo when teaching negotiation. He said, by creating a mission and purpose in your adversary's world, you can never go wrong. I do this too. For example, when I was a freelance copywriter, I created a mission and purpose to provide my clients with the best experience possible. Every action I took and every project I created was guided by what would benefit my clients most. And the same is true with this business to help y'all with lead generation and to succeed in real estate. I make sure that every piece of content I whip up, every product I create is of the most value to you. For example, my online course, Magnetic Lead Generation, was made for busy real estate agents who are struggling with lead generation and or want a scalable lead gen system so they can grow to new heights without burning out. Everything inside this course is made so that you can put the valuable secrets to use right away in your business and start generating high quality leads as soon as possible. You can listen to a free section of this course right now by clicking on the link in this video's description.